Okay, this is an unboxing for the Bona Spray Mop Air. So if we open this up here, we have, looks like we have the Bona microfiber cleaning pad, which is nice. It just looks like this on the front and the back. Okay, we have that. Ooh, whoops. And then, okay, so here is the bottom part. So this must be where the liquid goes. Okay, so we'll put that here. And then here is the upper spray mop handle. Oh, this is nice. This has like a pad right here. And then this is nice too. Look at the handle. It has like a ribbed part right here so that it'll be easy to hang on to it. And then this little thing that you can hang it up easily. I like that. Okay. And then here's the Bona, the mop head. Okay. So this would go on the bottom. So then this would just go probably like this. And it's, look at it, it's easy to take on and take off, which I like. That's nice. Concentrate, smells like lemon mint. There we have it. That's all that came in the box. Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I drop for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye!